Hello guys. So today's question is how to get the minimum 25th percentile, medium, 75th percentile and a maximum of a numeric series or any data set. So okay, for suppose we are given a data set. We loaded it as a data frame and there are a lot of columns in it, and for suppose at a first glance if we want to know about the data how it is distributed, we can see the 5 number summary. What is this 5 number summary? The 5 number summary gives us a rough idea about what your data set looks like. For suppose you will have the lowest value, the minimum value of your data set of particular column. If you are looking at one particular column, for that particular column you will get the minimum value, the highest value, and you will also get the 25th percentile, median, 75th percentile. Okay, let's understand these percentiles. The 25th percentile or quartile 1, which is called as Q1, is a value below which there are 25% of the values and above which there are 75% of the values. So Q1 is a value below which there are 25% and above which there are 75. Similarly, median is a value below which there are 50% of the data and above which there are 50% of the data. And the quartile 3, which is also called as 75th percentile, below which there are 75% of the data and above which 25% of the data is present, and these are maximum and minimum values of a data set. Okay, what is this interquartile range? So interquartile range is between the third quartile and first quartile, which is between all the values which lie between 75th percentile and 25th percentile is called as the interquartile range, IQR. So for a data set, if you want to know any outliers, we can say the outliers from the domain knowledge, right? Or else we are having a formula which we can use. So the formula is for any value which is above Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. IQR is the interquartile range and Q3 is the third quartile or 75th percentile. Any value above this value can be considered as an outlier, and below any value which is less than Q1 minus 1.5 IQR can also be considered as an outlier towards the minimum, and this one towards the maximum. Okay, that's it. We can now load our data. Now the data which we will be using is this one. So what I have done is I have downloaded the last 1 year data of the Nifty 50, and we will read it in as a data frame. So Nifty is equal to, okay, let's import the necessary libraries. Before that, import pandas as pd. This is the library we need. Next is let's get the Nifty 1.csv into a data frame. pd dot read csv and pass csv. Okay, we got our data. This is our data. It contains open, high, low, close, all the values. So what we could do is we could call the describe method. So this describe method returns the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25th percentile, 50 percentile, 75th percentile and maximum value for all columns of this data frame. Look, it returned. So total number of rows are 246 rows. There are 246 rows, and for say let's go to the close. For the close, the mean value is 10,991. Standard deviation is 1225.81. The minimum value, so the low in last 1 year, the Nifty touched 7610 low. This is the low, and the 25th percentile is 10,097. 50 percentile is 11,310 and 75th percentile is 11,989, and the maximum value the Nifty touched during the last 1 year is 12,938. It is after the coronavirus recovery, and this is during the coronavirus. I think it is in March. Nifty touched low during March, and this is during the November, during the Diwali. Okay, so we could use this describe method to know all these important five number summary.